The most asked question that I get as a clearance finder is, how do I find these clearance finds at my Walmart? I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my tips and tricks on how to score clearance at your local Walmart. First thing you want to do is download your Walmart app. A couple months ago, the Walmart app was not working, but guess what, guys? Good news, it is working. You want to go ahead and download the Walmart app because that's what you're going to use to scan for prices. As of tip number 1, invest in Brickseek. So yes, Brickseek, I do pay for a membership, and I'm going to tell you guys right now, you want to pay for it. I find the most clearance items paying for Brickseek because you get to find those hidden clearance at your store using the extreme or even the premium membership. Here we have these holiday candles, which they're normally $12.88 over here, but then Brickseek showed me that this one here that says family is actually on clearance. Now on Brickseek, the listing does show that they posted it for $7 on clearance about a couple days ago, but now when I scan it, it's actually on clearance for $3.50. So this one is a hidden clearance because it's all in between everything else, and it's only this family one, which I'll go ahead and show you guys the barcode for that one so that you can check your stores. But this one here is $3.50. That was a clearance find. Now that I know that this candle is on clearance, I usually check all the other ones. I did check the Peace and the Joy one, but they're still regular price. I still have to check the Bless. You want to go ahead and try to scan maybe majority of these. I usually will scan the whole entire end cap just in case all these other ones are on clearance, but the only one that I found on clearance was this one. All thanks to Brickseek. Another tip that I'm going to share with you guys is to always check the top shelf. I've found so many items on clearance on the top shelf. $150, and I found it for $37. I found 3 of them. Taking these babies with me. I found them on the top shelf. What you want to do is you want to look for items that are not here. The items up here are basically for this section here. If you see a box that you don't even see, right now my store is getting remodeled, so this is like everywhere, and they're currently changing the toy section around, so this right here is not down here anyways. But regularly, if you see a box up here and it's not down here, 9 times out of 10, it's gonna be on clearance. I found scooters, electric scooters, for only $20 up here that normally cost $150. I found a breast pump that costs $300 for only $40 up on the top shelf. So check your top shelves. End caps, check your end caps. Typically end caps will go based on season. So this here was actually Black Friday, and I did a whole video on how Black Friday items were already about 50% off. This one here was Black Friday price for $49, and now guess what, guys? Now it is $25. There was no notification on Brickseek about it, but since it is on the end cap, and I do remember this was Black Friday, I went ahead and checked it, and yeah, $25 for this one. Another item, which I know this was Black Friday, I scanned it, and $10. Again, it's in the end cap. I'm gonna go ahead and check that one, but end cap, end cap, end cap, all clearance. These here were actually a Black Friday sale and also on Brickseek. So these show $68, but now they're only $49. Again, this is in the middle aisle. Middle aisle, sometimes you can find great clearance depending on the season, but this is in the middle aisle. There's more Black Friday items here, here, and here. So it looks like this whole entire section is just reservoir of Black Friday items. I will go ahead and check those items because I know Black Friday for sure is already down. Even if it's a couple dollars down, that's something that you want to make a note of. If you already know that a certain department, a certain season, a certain thing is on clearance, and you want to go ahead and check the other items similar to it. Another thing that you guys need to take in consideration is that clearance shopping can take hours. Like legit hours. I can be in the store for like about 3, maybe 4 hours, but you need to have patience because it's not something that you're gonna quickly find, and I do go through each department. Let's get into tags. Tags is a #1 thing that I always look at too. So there's 2 different tags at Walmart. This is like a regular price tag, and then here we have a rollback, or the clearance price will also show up as this too. Typically clearance will show up as a all yellow yellow tag, or a rollback will be like this with the red and then the white. One thing you want to look for is where it says November 14th, 2021. Typically, if it's already been past a week, you want to go ahead and try to scan this one here. For an example, this one here, last time it was marked down was almost a month ago. I went ahead and scanned the item, and it's actually about $3 or $4 cheaper now. That you can find a hidden clearance as well. This department did a huge markdown on gaming accessories, so you guys can see there's like white tags everywhere. Once you see that this one here is already marked down, you want to go ahead and scan all the ones that have a white tag, and I promise you'll find something good. So you want to make yourself aware or be more familiar with what holiday items or seasonal items look like. So for an example, it is Christmas time here and we have holiday time. So holiday time is basically like, so to say, the brand of Walmart. So this here, once it reaches 90% off, it will be 29 cents. So anything with the actual like price will also be on clearance. So that's another kind of indicator that you want to be on the lookout for, is anything with a price. These here, as I mentioned, it says the price on the actual item. Another thing here, $10.98. Again, it has the price on the item here, and so forth. You guys get the idea. Check your store a week or 2 weeks, and then after that, so what they will do is they'll put everything for 50% off first for like a whole week. Then they'll put everything for like 75% off, and then finally 90 will be the final straw until they finally remove it. Of course, your store might not look like this for 90% off, but if it's something that you really want, then I would try to get it at 50% off. If it's something like so simple, like something like these here, and it's like holiday themed napkins, I would honestly wait for these for 90% off. I wouldn't even buy them at 50% off. Make sure you guys are aware of your holidays, and this goes for Valentine's Day, Easter, Halloween, everything in between. So there you have it, and as you see, it is nighttime. I spent I think like about 3 hours at Walmart looking for clearance for y'all. This is what I have to deal with, but I promise you it is always worth it. I did find some great things. I did find a juice, a Minute Maid juice that I usually buy like almost every day, because listen, they go through juice at my household like water. They should be drinking water, but they don't drink water. The Minute Maid is actually 75 cents, and it was on clearance. That was super hidden. I didn't even see that on Brickseek or anything, and it wasn't even marked at the store. So it was 75 cents. I'll probably go back in and grab like maybe like 2 more just to stock up on those. Hope these tips and tricks help you. I will be redoing my Brickseek video soon. I don't know when, because I have so many different videos I want to film for you guys. I will be doing my Brickseek video if you guys want more in depth on how to use Brickseek. But these are my little simple tips and tricks for you to look for clearance. Don't forget to always download your Walmart app. Also, branch out, you guys. Don't stick to the same Walmart. I will go to 5-6 different Walmarts in a week, and I will drive. I will either drive all the way to Claremont. If you guys are in Orlando, I go to Claremont. I would go to Kissimmee by the theme parks and everything. I travel because every store is different, and you can find different things on clearance at different locations. Anyways, you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below what other types of tips and tricks you guys want to see. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching. Bye.